गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार. आपण पूर्वीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये फोटोसिंथेसिस सुरू केलेला आहे आणि या फोटोसिंथेसिसमध्ये आपण मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये डार्क रिॲक्शन सुरू केलेली आहे. इन दिस डार्क रिॲक्शन वी हॅव स्टडीड द फर्स्ट पाथ ऑफ कार्बन इन फोटोसिंथेसिस, म्हणजे C3 पाथवे, दॅट इज कॅल्विन सायकल. There are two additional pathways, HSK path and CAM pathway, in the dark reaction. Then we shall see the details of this HSK path. HSK pathway, this is also called as C4 pathway. Hatch, MD Hatch, CR Slack, while working on the sugarcane plant, they found that 4 carbon compounds, that is dicarboxylic acid, as the first stable product of this path, first stable product of the photosynthesis. In C3 pathway, we have seen that phosphoglyceric acid, it is a 3 carbon compound, it was the first stable product of photosynthesis. While Hatch, Slack, while working on the sugarcane, they found that 4 carbon compound, that was a dicarboxylic acid, as the first product of this photosynthesis. That's why this is called as C4 pathway. It has been found to occur in the sugarcane plant, maize, sorghum. It also occurs in the tropical and subtropical grasses. These are called C4 plants. All these plants, sugarcane, maize, sorghum and tropical grasses, all these are called as C4 plants. So C4 pathway, it is the next or the second pathway of carbon in photosynthesis. Hatch, Slack and Korshok, they found 4 carbon compounds as the initial stable products of this photosynthesis. It has been found to occur in the sugarcane, maize and sorghum, and in tropical and subtropical grasses. And these plants are called as C4 plants. Then C4 plants show a Kranz anatomy in the leaves. Kranz anatomy means chloroplast dimorphism. Chloroplast dimorphism means there are 2 types of chloroplasts. 2 प्रकारचे chloroplasts त्याच्यामध्ये असतात, and this is called as Kranz anatomy. In the leaves of such plants, palisade tissue is absent. In the leaves of C4 plants, only spongy tissue is present, but palisade tissue, elongated cells, such are absent. There are 2 types of chloroplasts: bundle sheath chloroplast and mesophyll chloroplast. There is a bundle sheath around each vascular bundle. This is a vascular bundle, and around this vascular bundle you can see this is a bundle sheath. Sheath means cover, bundle म्हणजे vascular bundle. Vascular bundle च्या भोवताली असणारं जे sheath आहे, cover आहे, this is called as a bundle sheath. And the chloroplasts which are present in the bundle sheath cells, these are called bundle sheath chloroplasts. Bundle sheath chloroplasts are larger in size, but these are without grana. These are called agranar. म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये ग्रॅना लॅमेली नसतात, फक्त स्ट्रोमा लॅमेली असतात. And these are larger in size. Chloroplasts which are present in the mesophyll cells, you can see these are the bundle sheath cells. Here these are the mesophyll cells. The chloroplasts which are present in the mesophyll cells, these are smaller in size and these are granule. They are containing the grana lamellae. They are containing the grana stacks. Here, chloroplasts which are present in the mesophyll cells, these are smaller in size and these are granule. Thus, C4 plants show chloroplast dimorphism. Dimorphism means 2 प्रकारचे chloroplasts, two morphologically different types of chloroplasts are present. Then Kranz anatomy we shall see once again. Here you can see, this is the vascular bundle, this is the bundle sheath. Chloroplasts which are present in the bundle sheath cells, these chloroplasts, these are called as bundle sheath chloroplasts. While chloroplasts which are present in the mesophyll cells, these are called mesophyll chloroplasts. In the leaves of C4 plants, 2 types of chloroplasts are present: bundle sheath chloroplast and mesophyll chloroplast. In these leaves, palisade tissue is absent, only mesophyll tissue is absent. You can see here. Bundle sheath chloroplasts are larger in size, but these are agranule without grana lamellae. Mesophyll chloroplasts are smaller in size. These are granule and these are containing granulolamine. Thus, there is a chloroplast dimorphism, and this is called as Kranz anatomy. Kranz anatomy, it is a characteristic feature of C4 plants. Then we shall see how this pathway operates. This pathway operates, or C4 path or HSK pathway operates in two chloroplasts. This is a mesophyll cell. This is a bundle sheath cell. Here you can see that enzyme phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase or PEP carboxylase, it is present in the mesophyll cells. While RUBP carboxylase, ribinose 1,5-bisphosphate carboxylase, RUBP carboxylase or Rubisco, this is present in the bundle sheath cells. Then we shall see how this path operates. You can see here phosphoenol pyruvate, this is the initial acceptor of CO2, or this is the phosphoenol pyruvate, it is the initial acceptor of CO2. It accepts CO2 in presence of enzyme phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase, or it is abbreviated as PEPcase. Phosphoenol pyruvate, this is the initial acceptor. This accepts CO2 in presence of enzyme phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase or PEPcase, and there is formation of oxaloacetate. Oxaloacetate. Oxaloacetate, it is immediately converted into malate. This is a 4-carbon compound. This is also a 4-carbon compound. Oxaloacetate or OAA, it is converted into malate in presence of enzyme malate dehydrogenase, or it is abbreviated MDH, malate dehydrogenase. In this reaction, one molecule of NADP is used, which is converted, NADPH is used, which is converted into NADP. Hydrogens from this NADPH, these are used for the reduction of oxaloacetate into the malate. This reaction occurs in presence of malate dehydrogenase enzyme. Thus, malate is produced in the mesophyll cells. This is the mesophyll chloroplast, we can say. Initial reaction, phosphoenol pyruvate PEP accepts CO2 in presence of enzyme PEPcase or PEP carboxylase. There is formation of oxaloacetate. It is immediately converted into malate, and OA, oxaloacetate and malate, both are 4-carbon compounds. OA is converted into malate by using the hydrogens from NADPH. NADPH comes from the light reaction. This reaction occurs in presence of malate dehydrogenase enzyme. Malate is the initial stable product of C4 pathway. Malate, it is the initial stable product of HSK pathway, as it is a 4-carbon compound, and that's why this path is called as C4 pathway. Malate, which is produced in the mesophyll chloroplast, it is transferred to the bundle sheath cell. Malate formed in the mesophyll cell, it is transferred to the bundle sheath cell. In the bundle sheath cell, it is converted into pyruvate. Malate is converted into pyruvate. In this reaction, malic enzyme is used. In this reaction, malic enzyme is used. Here, one molecule of NADP, it is converted into one molecule of NADPH. Means hydrogens are removed from this malate, and this is converted into pyruvate. Or we can say that this malate is oxidized to pyruvate. It is also decarboxylated. Means CO2 is removed. In this reaction, CO2 is also removed. It is a decarboxylation reaction. This CO2, which is accepted in the Calvin cycle by a Rubisco enzyme, ribinose 1,5-bisphosphate enzyme. In the Rubisco enzyme accepts CO2, and there is formation of phosphoglyceric acid, and there is formation of different types of sugars or carbohydrates. Means there is a double CO2 fixation. CO2 fixation at this place in the mesophyll cell, CO2 fixation in the bundle sheath cell. Here, this malate, it is oxidized to pyruvate in presence of malic enzyme. Pyruvate is again transported back to mesophyll cell. Here, this pyruvate, it is transported to mesophyll cell. In this case, this pyruvate is converted into phosphoenol pyruvate. This is converted into phosphoenol pyruvate. In this reaction, molecule of ATP used, two molecules of ATP are used, which are converted into adenosine monophosphate. Two molecules of ATP are used, and this reaction occurs in presence of pyruvate phosphate dikinase. Pyruvate phosphate dikinase. And again there is a regeneration of phosphoenol pyruvate or PEP. Enzyme, we shall see all these things according to our points. Enzyme PEP carboxylase is present in the mesophyll cell, and Rubisco, it is present in the bundle sheath cells. CO2 is taken from the atmosphere, accepted by 3-carbon compound PEP, which is converted into 4-carbon compound OA, which is immediately converted into malate. Malate is the initial stable product of HSK path. It is a 4-carbon compound. That's why this pathway is called as C4 pathway. Here you can see the detailed reaction. Just now we have seen. Oxaloacetate is an unstable product. Just now we have seen. When this oxaloacetate is formed, this oxaloacetate is unstable. It is immediately converted into the malate. Malic acid is transported to the bundle sheath chloroplast. From this mesophyll chloroplast, malate is transported to the bundle sheath chloroplast. In the bundle sheath chloroplast, malic acid is converted to pyruvic acid. Malic acid, this malic acid, it is converted into pyruvic acid by the release of one molecule of CO2. This CO2 is removed. This CO2, or the concentration of CO2 increases in the bundle sheath cells. आता या ठिकाणी CO2 तयार होतं, त्याचं concentration या ठिकाणी वाढतं. And because of high concentration of CO2, RuBP carboxylase fixes CO2 and Calvin cycle initiates. This CO2 is accepted by RuBP case carboxylase, and Calvin cycle operates. In the Calvin cycle, different sugars are produced, which we have seen in the previous videos. Sugars are formed in the Calvin cycle and transported to the fluid. Pyruvic acid generated in the bundle sheath cells enters the mesophyll cell. Pyruvic acid या ठिकाणी तयार होतं, ते परत mesophyll cell मध्ये जातं. In the mesophyll cells, pyruvic acid is converted into PEP. हे पायरुवेटचं कन्व्हर्शन परत फॉस्फोइनॉल पायरुविक ऍसिड मध्ये कन्व्हर्शन होतं. This conversion results in the formation of adenosine monophosphate, not ADP. Here there is formation of adenosine monophosphate. Thus, C4 pathway needs 12 additional ATP. 2 ATP molecules are required to generate PEP. या ठिकाणी 2 ATP molecules लागतात. या ठिकाणी 6 वेळा सायक्लिंग होतं. That's why 12 ATP. Thus, C4 pathway needs 12 additional ATP. In C3 pathway, 18 ATP were required. C3 pathway में Calvin cycle मध्ये आपण पाहिलं की 18 ATP were required for the synthesis of one glucose molecule, whereas in C4 pathway this requires 13 ATP. Means 18 ATP in the Calvin cycle. या टोटल सायकल मध्ये किती ATP लागतात पहा. Calvin cycle मध्ये 18 ATP लागतात. And here at this place 12 ATP are required. 12 plus 18, that is 30 ATP molecules are required to generate one molecule of glucose. Thus, C4 plants are better photosynthesizers. There is no photophosphorylation. There is no photorespiration in C4 plants. C3 plants मध्ये Calvin cycle ज्याच्यामध्ये ऑपरेट होते, C3 plants मध्ये photorespiration आहे. या ठिकाणी there is no photorespiration. You see this cycle once again. 2 types of chloroplast, mesophyll and bundle sheath chloroplast. This is called as Kranz anatomy. Here PEP carboxylase is present in the mesophyll cells. Then RuBP case, it is present in the bundle sheath cells. PEP, it is the initial acceptor of CO2. This accepts CO2 in presence of enzyme PEP carboxylase. There is formation of unstable product, 4-carbon compound, oxaloacetate. Oxaloacetate is converted into malate. It is reduced to malate, and malate is a 4-carbon compound. Malate is the initial stable product of HSK path. As it is a 4-carbon compound, that's why this path is called as C4 path. Malate OA is converted into malate in presence of malate dehydrogenase enzyme. In this reaction, one molecule of NADPH is used, which is converted into NADP. Malate is transported to bundle sheath chloroplast, where it is converted into pyruvate by the release of one molecule of CO2. This reaction occurs in presence of malic enzyme. In this reaction, one molecule of NADPH is produced. CO2 which is released in this reaction, it is refixed in the Calvin cycle, C3 path, and there is formation of different types of sugars. Pyruvate which is produced in the bundle sheath cell, it is transported to the mesophyll cell. Again, this is converted into phosphoenol pyruvate by adding 2 molecules of ATP. As there are 6 cycles, 12 molecules. Means 12 molecules of ATP are required to generate 1 molecule of glucose. Thus, C4 pathway needs 12 additional ATP. In C3 pathway, 18 ATP were required for the synthesis of 1 glucose molecule, whereas C4 pathway requires 18 plus 12, 13 ATP molecules. Thus, C4 plants are better photosynthesizers. There is no photorespiration. This is about the HSK path or C4 pathway. The next pathway of carbon in photosynthesis, it is CAM pathway or crassulacean acid metabolism pathway. This is one alternative pathway of carbon fixation in desert plants where there is high temperature, where there is a shortage of water. In such areas, crassulacean acid metabolism pathway or CAM pathway is present. This was first discovered in the family Crassulaceae, plants which are belonging to the family Crassulaceae. In these plants, this CAM pathway is observed. In CAM plants, stomata are scotoactive, means these are open at night, closed during the daytime, means active during the night. So initial CO2 fixation, as the stomata are open during the night, initial CO2 fixation occurs in the night. Thus, C4 plants pathway fixes CO2 in the night and reduces CO2 in the daytime. CO2 fixation in the night, reduction of CO2 into carbohydrates in the daytime via Calvin cycle by using NADPH formed during the day. Daytime मध्ये जे NADPH तयार होतो त्याचा उपयोग रिडक्शन साठी केला जातो. PEP carboxylase and Rubisco, ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate carboxylase, both the enzymes are present in the mesophyll cells. There is no Kranz anatomy. In the crassulacean and the plants belonging to family Crassulaceae, there is no Kranz anatomy. Then we shall see the things in brief. Crassulacean acid metabolism pathway, it is present in the plants belonging to the family Crassulaceae. Here in these plants, the stomata are scotoactive, means these are active during the night hours. So initial CO2 fixation occurs in the night hours. Reduction of CO2 occurs during the daytime via Calvin cycle by using NADPH. PEP carboxylase and Rubisco, both the enzymes are present in the mesophyll cells. Here you can see that stomata closed. This is a daytime. This is a night. Upper part is daytime, lower part is the night time. Here you can see that starch which is synthesized in the Calvin cycle. This is the Calvin cycle. Different sugars are produced and these sugars are stored in the form of a starch. This starch, it is hydrolyzed and there is formation of phosphoenol pyruvate. There is formation of PEP. Here now stomata are open during the night hours. CO2 is absorbed. PEP fixes this CO2. There is formation of OAA, oxaloacetic acid, which is unstable. It is converted into malic acid. Here there is formation of malic acid or malate. During the daytime, this malate is decarboxylated, means CO2 is removed. This CO2 is refixed, this CO2 is fixed in the Calvin cycle. So CO2 Calvin cycle because of Rubisco enzyme. In the Calvin cycle, different sugars are produced and these sugars are stored in the form of a starch. This occurs during the daytime, means reduction of CO2 occurs during the daytime, fixation of CO2 occurs during the night time or the night hours. You can see here clearly starch is produced during the daytime in the Calvin cycle. In the night hours, starch is hydrolyzed to phosphoenol pyruvate or PEP. This PEP accepts the CO2 during the night hours. There is formation of OA and malic acid. This malic acid is stored in the vacuoles. During this occurs means at the end of night, higher amount of malic acid is present. Then during the daytime, malic acid is a decarboxylated, CO2 is removed. This CO2 is fixed in the Calvin cycle by a Rubisco enzyme, in which different sugars are produced. These sugars are stored in the form of a starch. During the night time, carbohydrates produced during the day are converted into PEP during glycolysis. During the night hours, here there is a starch. Starch is hydrolyzed to PEP because of glycolysis of respiration. This PEP accepts the CO2 to produce OA in the presence of peptase enzyme. Oxaloacetate is reduced to malate. Here there is formation of malate, and this malate is stored in the vacuoles. Malic acid is stored in the vacuoles during the night hours. Formation of malic acid during the dark. Here malic acid तयार झालं. हे कधी तयार झालं? During the dark hours. This is called as acidification. This is a phase first. Formation of malic acid during the night hours. This is called as acidification. During the daytime, this malic acid releases CO2 for C3 pathway. This is the Calvin cycle or the C3 pathway. In the same cell, this is called deacidification, or it is a phase second or the second phase. This reaction occurs in presence of malic enzyme. CO2 released is refixed. या ठिकाणी CO2 जो तयार होतो तो रिफिक्स का शब्द वापरला. या ठिकाणी पहिलं फिक्सेशन आहे CO2चं. हे दुसरं फिक्सेशन या ठिकाणी होतं. So CO2 is refixed by Rubisco in the Calvin cycle. Different sugars are produced in the Calvin cycle, and these are stored in the form of a starch. In the night hours, starch is hydrolyzed to glucose, and glucose is converted into PEP by the process of glycolysis. PEP again accepts the CO2. Examples of CAM plants. Examples of CAM plants are Kalanchoe and Opuntia. म्हणजे पानफुटी आणि Opuntia म्हणजे निवडून. मित्र हो, मला वाटतं आपणास हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल. कृपया लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.